We are looking at a 1979 Honda CB650. It is a great little motorcycle back in the day, but this one needs some work. Found this at an auction, and my son and I have talked about doing a restore project. He loves old cars, so we've talked about that for years, and I am not a mechanic. So I thought this might be a fun thing for us to try out, a little less intimidating. So just gonna post some videos as we're putting this together. You can see it's actually not in bad shape. It definitely needs some paint and work. Overall, like I said, not in bad shape. I found this at an auction. There was some damage done to it. It had been wrecked. I'll show you the damage here in a minute. But you can see overall the parts are there, a little rusty. It's gonna need some work. One of the things that I do think would be really cool, I love the look, you know, the simple, clean look of a cafe racer. This is gonna be slightly different than that because I want something that'll be fun to ride and comfortable. I'm not looking for anything that's fast. I'm not going to be in races, you know. So I'm going to try to put something together. I need to check out suspension. You can see a little rust on the back shocks here. Tailpipes are going to need adjusted. In fact, I'll cut those and find a smaller one. One of the points that I was kind of nervous about at the auction, I could see some damage. There had been a crash of some sort. Looks more than anything somebody drove into the bottom part of the stator. So the case is going to have some trouble with some the case is going to have a little bit of welding need to be done, so I'll have to get some help on that. And the stator and rotor are going to be replaced. But you know, without that on, I was able to get it started up, a little starter fluid, and fired up. It was actually kind of fun to hear it. It made a big mess because oil plug is missing down here as well. But this is the bike. Looking forward to getting it fixed up. One of the things that I do love about the Cafe Racer look, and I'm going to try to duplicate that a little bit, I will clean out, you know, this air intake section, try to find something to do with the battery, probably drop the big mufflers like I said earlier, as well as the chain guard, just simplify it a little bit. At the same time, I'm going to try to keep some of the originals. I kind of think those blinkers are cool. Turn signals front and back have that cool little look. The taillight's cool, not quite as minimal as I like about those Cafe Racers, but some of this I'm gonna just see how it goes and how it comes together. Wanted to give you a look from here. You know, those dials are super retro. Some people love that. I think they look big, kind of detracting from the coolness of the bike. So I'll probably take those off and see if I can't make it, you know, just clean it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer. So yeah, we'll show you videos. We'll tear it down. Start with the tear down, break everything down. From the front view, it's mostly original parts. My plan, again, I'm going to check out those front shocks, see what needs to happen there. I will swap out the headlight as well as all the dials up on top. They're kind of big. I'm going to try to find something just a little bit simpler, something to make it look cool, fun to ride. Might even put some dual sport type tires on there so I can take it on dirt road or on the road here. But yeah, so this is going to be a fun project. I'll do my best to post things along the way and see a little bit of what we're doing and what it's looking like. We'll start with the breakdown and post as we go. Thanks for watching.